In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can turn on disappearing messages here on Instagram. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, go ahead and open up your Instagram app on your device. And what you're going to want to do is select the messages icon down at the bottom of your screen to open up your DMs. Now from here, open up whatever chat you want to go ahead and turn those disappearing messages on for. Essentially, open up that chat and then tap on that person's name or their profile up at the top of the chat to bring up a page that looks like this. And you'll see a disappearing messages tab on here. Simply go ahead and select that. And from here, you'll have a few different options. You can change it so that they disappear once they've been seen. Every 24 hours, they'll disappear, or every 7 days, they'll disappear. It's completely up to you. But alternatively, inside the chat as well, you can simply go ahead and just swipe up. And then when you release, you'll turn on those disappearing messages. To turn it off, simply go ahead and swipe up again, and you'll be good to go. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.